Hey guys, how's it going? Craig Harrison here with F9 Restoration. Hey, today I got 2 calls, and I get these calls a lot about if you're spraying F9 Efflow or bark or these restoration chemicals. The guys are asking about spray shields. So the easiest and simplest way, and here's a little tip and trick that we teach at our school as well. Here's what I do. Okay, so this guy right here. Hold on one second. This you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot, True Value, Ace. It's one of those little shower suction cup type of things. So you stick it on the bathtub or in your shower, and it helps. It's kind of like a handrail or something. So if you get one of those, I like to make my spray shields 2 feet by 3 feet. So 2 feet up is plenty. The plexiglass should be about 1/16 of an inch, I believe. So 2 feet tall, 3 feet wide. And the reason I do that is for a couple of reasons. So we're going to go ahead and stick this guy back on here, and the 1/16 inch plexiglass I like to get clear so you can see through them, and that way for spraying, like say we're spraying, if this was grass down here, if this was concrete and you got grass up here, you can see exactly where you are, where the grass is, where that substrate is behind. So it's a real common to get a 3-foot weather stripping, which fits perfectly down there in the bottom. So you have 2 foot by 3 foot plexiglass, weather stripping here on the bottom, and that weather stripping is nice and flexible, so you can go right up to a substrate. So literally you can come down here and spray the concrete without getting anything on the back as you go along. It works beautifully. Now this also serves a dual purpose. If you're doing a shopping center, even residential, you've got these doorways here. Most doorways are like around 32 inches or so. Well, if you have a 36-inch spray shield, you can put this up right next to the door, leave it there. You can go ahead and do your surface cleaning, and all that water and stuff a lot of times can shoot underneath the doorway. This prevents the water from getting under. So that's your quick tip of the day. Craig Harrison, F9 Restoration, 855-803-1133. And we hope to see you soon. Our next training is at beautiful Fountain Hills in just a few days. Real nice area. The weather should be beautiful. January 17th and 18th, 855-803-1133. Hope to see you soon.